In today's world, energy efficiency is no longer just a buzzword. It's a crucial consideration for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint, cut energy costs, and improve the comfort of their living spaces. In Birmingham, where summers can be hot and humid and winters can be cool, energy efficiency is particularly vital. One often overlooked aspect of achieving this is through upgrading your home's doors. Here's why investing in new, energy-efficient doors can make a significant impact on your Birmingham home. Combating energy loss. Old, inefficient doors are a major culprit when it comes to energy loss. Worn-out seals, gaps, and outdated materials allow conditioned air to escape and let outdoor air seep in. This results in your HVAC system working overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature, driving up your energy bills. By replacing your doors with new, energy-efficient models, you can significantly reduce energy loss. Modern doors are designed with advanced insulation technology, effective weather stripping, and tight seals to keep indoor temperatures consistent and minimize the amount of energy required to heat or cool your home. Improved insulation and comfort. Energy-efficient doors are engineered to provide superior insulation. This is especially important for Birmingham residents, who often experience high humidity and fluctuating temperatures. New doors, such as those made from insulated fiberglass or steel, prevent drafts and temperature fluctuations inside your home, making it more comfortable year-round. For homeowners with glass patio doors, choosing models with double or triple pane glass and low-E coatings can enhance thermal performance, preventing heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter. With improved insulation, your living space will feel more comfortable and consistent without the need for constant thermostat adjustments. Lower energy bills. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of replacing old doors with energy-efficient ones is the reduction in energy bills. When your home retains its desired temperature more efficiently, your heating and cooling system doesn't have to work as hard. This translates to lower energy consumption and, ultimately, cost savings. In addition to reducing energy costs, energy-efficient doors often come with rebates and tax incentives designed to encourage homeowners to invest in eco-friendly upgrades. These financial incentives can make the initial investment more affordable and increase your return on investment over time. Enhanced durability and performance. Energy-efficient doors are typically made with high-quality materials that offer long-lasting durability and improved performance. Whether you choose a fiberglass door that resists warping and cracking or a steel door with excellent resistance to dents, these doors can withstand Birmingham's climate with minimal maintenance. Modern doors are built to provide a tight seal, preventing moisture, pests, and outdoor pollutants from entering your home. This durability not only enhances the lifespan of your door but also contributes to maintaining a healthier indoor environment. Increased home value. Investing in new energy-efficient doors can also enhance the value of your home. Energy efficiency is a top priority for today's homebuyers, and a home with upgraded, efficient doors is likely to attract more interest. A well-chosen door replacement improves curb appeal, adds aesthetic value, and provides long-term cost benefits, all of which are attractive selling points. Environmental benefits. Energy-efficient doors don't just benefit your wallet, they also benefit the environment. By reducing the amount of energy your home consumes, you're helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and lower your overall environmental impact. For homeowners who want to contribute to a greener Birmingham, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is a step in the right direction. Choosing the right door for maximum efficiency. When selecting new doors for your Birmingham home, look for options that offer optimal energy efficiency. Consider materials like insulated fiberglass, steel, or wood with modern weatherproofing technology. Additionally, pay attention to energy certifications such as the Energy Star label, which guarantees that the door meets strict energy performance standards. Conclusion. Energy efficiency is a critical consideration for every Birmingham homeowner, and upgrading your doors is one of the most impactful changes you can make. By reducing energy loss, enhancing insulation, lowering energy bills, and improving the overall comfort and value of your home, energy-efficient doors are a smart investment. Whether you're replacing an aging front door, upgrading your patio doors, or sealing off a drafty entryway, choosing energy-efficient models is a step toward a more comfortable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly home. Make the switch today and experience the many benefits of an energy-efficient Birmingham home.